Understanding fervor in his eyes, a guide to expressive English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that can add depth to your understanding and use of English. Fervor in his eyes. This expression paints a vivid picture of emotion and intensity, and we're going to explore its meaning, use, and how you can incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this powerful phrase. Fervor in his eyes refers to a situation where a person's eyes display an intense and passionate emotion. The word fervor itself means intense and passionate feeling. When we say someone has fervor in their eyes, we're describing a visible, powerful emotion that can be seen just by looking into their eyes. This could be passion for a cause, deep love, intense enthusiasm, or any strong, burning emotion that can hardly be contained. It's a phrase that emphasizes the depth of someone's feelings without them saying a word. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but seeing it in action can help solidify its meaning. Here are a few examples. In the midst of the debate, you could see the fervor in his eyes as he spoke about environmental protection. As he talked about his future dreams, there was undeniable fervor in his eyes, showing his passion and commitment. The revolutionary leader had a fervor in his eyes that inspired all who looked upon him. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, always indicating a deep, passionate commitment or belief. This phrase is particularly effective because it combines emotional depth with visual imagery. By talking about fervor in someone's eyes, it creates a vivid picture that can move, persuade, or engage listeners and readers. This kind of imagery makes language more powerful and expressive. It's a great example of how English can use metaphorical language to convey complex emotions succinctly. Fervor in his eyes is more than just a phrase. It's a window into the soul's passion, a way to describe the intensity of emotion that words alone can't fully express. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the beauty and power of this expression. Incorporating such phrases into your English can make your communication more vivid and impactful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Keep practicing, and don't forget to look for the fervor in the eyes of those around you.